So this is the area south of the turnpike, south of Marsh Bend, just to the east of Coleman Prison, that they are starting to clear out here. You can see the trees, and to the south is where that new area is going to be. The new area meaning the charter school, Middleton, which is the video I just did the other day. That's what we were looking at. Gonna show you on the map exactly where all the stuff is, and that way you'll have a better idea. I'm actually doing some new maps with the golf cart paths and the walking running paths on them, so I'll be able to actually show you those coming up here within the next week or two. It's a lot of work, but so this is looking to the north, and they are just now, well, I haven't seen them clearing those trees out before. This is where the 2 golf courses are going to be for Continuing the Dream. And then straight ahead of us, you can see where the turnpike is, running left to right on the screen. And then Cason Hammock, which we're going to take a look at in a little bit here. And this area is all villages. Some of it's going to be golf courses. Some of it's going to be the medical facility that they're building. And it's all supposed to be done in 2023. So I'm going to make a big assumption and say that this whole area is going to be totally getting worked over here in the next few months, probably as we roll into 2022. They'll start doing all the drainage stuff, and they've already put the road through. You can see they've renamed 470 to Parkway, whatever Parkway. And you can see Hawkins is underway over there as well. You'll be able to see a little more of that when we get into Cason Hammock here in about just a minute. We're turning to the west here. This road goes left to right alongside of the east side of Coleman. And then here is Cason Hammock. A lot of construction going on in Cason Hammock area now. It's pretty much all built out. They just need to finish all these houses. And this is where the Ezell Rec Center, Sawgrass Grove, and all that stuff is by. We'll take a peek at that, and I'll show you exactly what's going to be there with the little map as well. So this is looking south over the area that we just flew over. The Bexley Bridge right there in the background. They're actually starting to work on some poles. And then you have the Southern Oaks golf course here. It's a championship course. The front and the back 9 are both the same. 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s. That's coming along pretty nicely. And then out here to the east in the background, you can see a lot of the new development coming in, like Delaney, and they're putting a lot of pitch and putts out there. I'm going to take a look at those coming up here in the next week. I'll spend some time out there. I haven't been out there in a long time, so. And then here's the Ezell Rec Center, Sawgrass Grove. And then this whole area, St. Catherine behind it, up above it. I want to say it was just about last year that this was all just getting started. Now I believe you can go in the Ezell Rec Center and walk around a little bit. I've seen them do videos inside. Live entertainment areas, this is kind of like a little square. they're not calling it a square, they're just calling it a big rec center, but similar to Fenny, there's an outdoor, indoor market and all that kind of stuff. Should be pretty nice. I mean, like everything in the villages is pretty nice, of course. So you'll be able to come to the Ezell Rec Center right across that Bexley Bridge. That Bexley Bridge is actually going to be the multimodal automobile, golf cart, all the above. You'll be able to take over. That's going to be the first bridge the Turnpike, or the first bridge the Villages has that is a multimodal, where you can actually drive automobiles and golf carts, not just golf carts. You can see Hawkins in the background there. And then that Cason Hammock, or not Cason, well, this is Cason Hammock, but south of the Turnpike, that's the area we were looking at just earlier with the where the golf courses are going to go, and the new medical facility, state-of-the-art medical facility that they're looking to bring in a ton of people on. And then this little close-up of Bexley Bridge here that you're going to see. This should all be done 2023. So depending on what part of the year they're planning on getting it done, we're about a year and a half away. I mean, unless they want to drag it out to the end, but I doubt it highly, considering that the Villages move so quickly on everything. I'm going to leave you with that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe, leave me a comment about what you'd like to see. We're going to take a look at Delaney in that area later this week. And I'm going to have some Brownwood 5K stuff for you, so you can see some of the events that the Villages puts on also. And we're going to start showcasing some of the local businesses. So hope you all have a great day, and we will see you in the next one.